Škoda Auto continues to build on its long-standing all-wheel drive heritage and currently offers customers its broadest 4x4 portfolio across a wide range of segments, from the Octavia and Superb through the Karoq and Kodiaq SUVs to the all-electric Elroq and Enyaq models. State-of-the-art all-wheel drive technology improves traction, stability, safety, and comfort by supporting driving dynamics in demanding conditions. For example, on wet roads, snow, and unpaved surfaces. A comprehensive overview of the strengths and specific advantages of Škoda 4x4 models can be found on the Škoda Storyboard. In Škoda's 4x4 combustion engine models, the core of the system is an electronically controlled multiplate clutch that is fully integrated with the vehicle's electronic driver assistance systems for a particularly quick and smooth response. The system operates completely automatically, with the control unit continuously evaluating sensor inputs such as wheel speed, steering angle, and longitudinal and lateral acceleration. It adjusts torque distribution between the axles in real time, supporting more stable cornering behavior and assured traction, even on surfaces with varying grip. When all-wheel drive is not required, the system optimizes torque transfer. The all-wheel drive versions of the all-electric Elroq and Enyaq use two electric motors, with one powering the front axle and the other the rear. The electronically controlled coordination of the motors provides all-wheel drive when required. The rear axle features a permanent magnet synchronous motor, PMSM, supporting efficiency in most driving situations. When needed, a front asynchronous motor, ASM, provides drive to the front wheels. The ASM combines short-term overload capability with low friction losses when not engaged. Because there is no props haft, clutch or differentials, there is no mechanical connection between the two axles, allowing the system to respond quickly and operate efficiently. The 4x4 versions of the Elroq and the Enyaq family are available in two power outputs. All models use the same technical layout, two electric motors with 210 kilowatts at the rear and 80 kilowatts at the front. The system output is 210 kW* for the 85X version and 250 kW* for the RS version. Last year, Škoda delivered almost 7,000 Elroq models with a 4x4 drivetrain, with the highest demand in Germany, Norway, and Switzerland. The Enyaq family with a 4x4 drivetrain was delivered to more than 30,000 customers in total, primarily in Germany, Norway, and the UK. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss the next one.